Tired of messy drawers, crowded counters, and never finding what you need? These clever Amazon kitchen gadgets help you organize every corner and make your space feel calm, clean, and easy to use. From smart storage to simple organizers, they turn chaos into order without extra effort. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Your pantry just got a serious upgrade. This wall-mounted dry food dispenser keeps rice, cereal, and grains neatly organized in rotating compartments. Just turn the dial and press once for a perfect scoop. No mess, no guessing. The clear window shows exactly what's left, so you're never caught off guard. So if you want a tidy, mess-free pantry, scan the QR to grab yours now. Digging through cabinets shouldn't feel like a treasure hunt. This slide and rotate organizer brings spices and small items right to you in one smooth motion. Just pull the handle, spin the shelves, and everything is instantly visible and within reach. The double-decker design stacks items smartly without wasting vertical space. So if you want effortless access to all your kitchen essentials, scan the QR to grab yours now. Coffee chaos on the counter? Not anymore. This sleek pod carousel keeps all your coffee and espresso capsules neatly stacked in one stylish tower. Give it a gentle spin, and the smooth glide lets you find your favorite flavor without noise or effort. It even holds an extra stash in the center, so you're never running low. So if you want a clutter-free, effortless coffee routine, scan the QR to grab yours now. Say goodbye to messy spice bags and mismatched jars. This clear seasoning box keeps your everyday spices neatly separated and easy to reach. Each compartment has its own spoon, so flavors stay pure and nothing spills or mixes. The transparent design lets you see exactly what you have left at a glance. Mount it on the wall or keep it on the counter for a clean, organized cooking setup you'll actually enjoy using. Your fruits deserve better than being buried in a bowl. This rotating storage cart stacks produce vertically, so everything stays visible and easy to grab. Each basket spins towards you, while the open wire design lets air flow through to keep food fresh longer. Smooth rolling wheels let you move it anywhere, then lock it in place when you're done. It's sturdy, space-saving, and turns everyday kitchen storage into something smart and effortless. Pantry clutter meets its match. These bamboo food dispensers give your dry foods a clean, organized home that looks great on the counter. Slide the lid to pour smoothly. Cereal, sugar, or pasta comes out without spills. The side panel opens wide, making it easy to clean and keep everything fresh. So if you want a tidy and stylish pantry, scan the QR to grab yours now. If your fridge door turns into a tipping domino mess, this fixes it fast. These adjustable clear dividers snap right onto the shelf to keep bottles, jars, and cartons standing in place. You slide them to fit your space, so everything stays separated and easy to grab. The transparent design keeps your fridge looking clean and uncluttered. No tools, no sticking, just a smarter way for you to organize every shelf. Reaching for items in high cabinets just got effortless. This pull-down shelf lets you bring the back of your upper cabinets right to your fingertips. Two sturdy tiers hold up to 55 pounds, so plates, jars, or pantry goods stay secure. Simply pull it down to access everything, then push it back up to save space. Durable steel and a corrosion-resistant finish make it strong, practical, and built to last. Need extra counter space without the hassle? This foldable floating shelf sticks right to your wall and holds plates, bowls, or small kitchen gadgets. When you're not using it, it folds flat, so it barely takes up any room. Strong ABS construction keeps it sturdy, while the punch-free adhesive makes installation quick. No tools, no drilling. So if you want to maximize your kitchen space effortlessly, scan the QR to grab yours now. Struggling to fit all your kitchen appliances? This 4-tier pull-out baker's rack keeps everything organized and easy to reach. 2 pull-out trays slide smoothly so you can grab your mixer, air fryer, or coffee maker without heavy lifting, while adjustable shelves fit taller gadgets perfectly. Rolling casters let you move it anywhere, then lock it in place for stability. Built from heavy-duty steel with a rust-resistant finish, it's strong, durable, and ready to handle up to 120 pounds of kitchen gear. Tired of cluttered countertops? This expandable cabinet organizer instantly brings order to your kitchen. You can stack it, arrange it in an L shape, or spread it out to fit your space perfectly. Each tier holds spices, jars, or even small appliances, and the metal guardrails keep everything secure. Made of solid wood, it's sturdy, stylish, and flexible, so you can adjust it as your storage needs change. Assembly is easy, with all parts labeled for a hassle-free setup. Say goodbye to digging through messy cabinets. This bamboo pot and pan organizer keeps all your cookware neatly in place. It expands from 15 to 29 inches, and the 10 adjustable dividers give the perfect spot for lids, pans, and trays. Deep U-shaped slots hold handles securely, so nothing tips or slides around. So if you want a tidy, stylish kitchen that actually works, scan the QR to grab yours now. Fresh bread, neatly stored, and always ready to slice. This double-layer bamboo bread box keeps loaves, rolls, and pastries perfectly organized on your countertop. Each layer has a clear window so you can see what's left without opening it. And the included cutting board and stainless steel knife slide out whenever you need them. Made from natural bamboo, it keeps bread fresh for days while adding a warm farmhouse touch to your kitchen. Large, sturdy, and easy to assemble. It's a must-have for any home baker. Need extra storage without sacrificing style? This 5-tier pantry rack keeps your kitchen, dining area, or even living room perfectly organized. Sturdy metal shelves hold up to 440 pounds, and the translucent flip doors keep dust out while letting you see what's inside. 2 types of foot pads let you lock it in place or roll it anywhere with ease. Whether it's spices, towels, snacks, or shoes, this versatile rack adapts to all your storage needs. Say goodbye to messy fridge shelves. These clear storage bins keep fruits, veggies, and leftovers neatly organized and easy to reach. Each bin has a secure lid to keep food fresh longer, and the stackable design saves valuable space. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, they're safe for all your groceries. So if you want a fridge that's neat, accessible, and stress-free, scan the QR to grab yours now. Take your snacks anywhere without the mess. This 2-pack snackle box has 8 compartments to neatly hold fruits, nuts, candy, or veggies. The clear design lets you see everything at a glance, and the secure lid with a rubber seal keeps snacks fresh and dry on the go. A folding handle makes it easy to carry for picnics, parties, or road trips. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it's stackable, dishwasher safe, and perfect for staying organized anywhere. Baking just got a whole lot easier. This 4-tier collapsible cooling rack lets you cool cookies, muffins, pies, and cakes all at once without taking over your counter. Each tier adjusts and stacks perfectly, giving you plenty of space while keeping everything compact when not in use. The non-stick coating ensures your baked goods release easily, and the heavy-gauge construction spreads heat evenly for faster cooling. Sturdy, space-saving, and versatile, it's a must-have for any baker who loves efficiency. Tired of soggy towels and messy counters? This diatomite stone dish pad dries dishes instantly, keeping your countertop fresh and spotless. It absorbs up to 150% of its weight in water, so plates, glasses, and bowls dry fast without lingering moisture. Made from durable, eco-friendly materials, it's gentle on fragile dishes and built to last. So if you want a counter that stays dry and clean effortlessly, scan the QR to grab yours now. Make the most of your cabinet space with this pull-out dish rack. Its clever single or double-tier design fits dishes of all sizes, from small bowls and plates to large pots. The sturdy carbon steel frame resists rust and holds everything securely, while smooth sliding rails make access quiet and effortless. It installs without tools, so you can get organized instantly, even in a rental kitchen. Save space, protect your dishes, and keep your cabinets neat with this smart solution. Chopping and prepping just got a major upgrade. This bamboo cutting board comes with 4 removable trays and lids, letting you slide chopped veggies, cheese, or meat straight into place. No mess on your countertop. Integrated juice grooves catch extra liquid, keeping everything tidy, while 4 bonus graters handle coarse, medium, slicing, and julienne tasks. Made from untreated bamboo, it's eco-friendly, water-resistant, and safe for food. With a convenient handle and reversible design, it works perfectly for left or right-handed chefs. Transform wasted cupboard space into organized storage. This undershelf spice rack slides out to hold up to 7 spice jars, keeping everything within easy reach. Tool-free installation with strong adhesive makes setup quick and hassle-free. Made from recycled plastic, it's eco-friendly while staying sturdy and durable. So if you want a clutter-free, easy-to-grab spice collection, scan the QR to grab yours now. Tight spaces? No problem. This 5-tier slim storage cart slides into narrow corners of your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. Pull-out mesh baskets give easy access while keeping items secure, and the breathable design keeps things fresh. Lockable wheels let you move it anywhere quietly and safely. Sturdy, versatile, and easy to assemble. It's perfect for organizing everything from spices and snacks to toiletries and craft supplies. Entertaining just got stylish and simple. This 13-inch bamboo cheese board comes with a hidden drawer, holding knives, forks, and 3 small bowls for all your dips and sides. Its smooth, eco-friendly bamboo surface won't stain or absorb odors, keeping your cheese and appetizers looking perfect. The round design makes it ideal for parties, picnics, or cozy nights at home. Compact, elegant, and practical, it's ready to impress guests at any gathering. Stop juggling eggs in the fridge. This automatic rolling egg holder stores up to 28 large eggs neatly while keeping them ready to grab. Its gravity-fed design rolls the oldest eggs to the front, so you always use them first. Made from durable, easy-to-clean plastic, it fits in refrigerators, pantries, or even on the countertop. So if you want stress-free, organized egg storage, scan the QR to grab yours now. Clear your countertops and free up space with this 3-tier wall-mounted dish rack. Each tier is adjustable and detachable, letting you fit plates, bowls, fruits, and veggies perfectly. Made from rust-resistant black stainless steel, it's strong enough to hold up to 33 pounds while keeping dishes safe from scratches. A built-in cutlery holder, hooks, and drain trays make organization effortless. Elegant, practical and easy to install. It's perfect for any kitchen looking to stay tidy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.